Wow, look at that. I think that's a baby because it's not really white on the head, see? And he's real curious about what I'm doing. The other one's pretty so majestic, he doesn't really care what I'm doing. I think that's the adult there. It might be the mama or the dad. It's pretty small, so it might be the dad, but I'm not sure. You know, I am mesmerized that I got to see two bald eagles in the same spot, and it's wonderful to see these guys here. Wonderful to see them here. I'm gonna sing a song, man. Bo mama, your way. 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 Uh-huh. 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 That wasn't the full song, but I wanted to sing something for them. All right, you guys. I'm going to leave you alone. It was nice to see you guys. Oh, wow. Look at the flash. He's singing back to me. Thank you very much, guys.